Storm Tracker threat index up to a level 1, and it's not for this morning, but later on this evening as we get a round of active winter weather tracking through yet again. Lower impact in the bluegrass, higher potential impact south and east from accumulating snow. And right now we're way too warm for anything beyond rain. It's 46 degrees in Lexington. We're high and dry. It's a mild, beautiful morning really for this time of the year. And there's the culprit. Look at that wind, southwest, sustained at 14 miles per hour. So that wind that gave us such an unusually and beautiful and gusty Wednesday is still keeping temperatures propped up this morning. In fact, it's almost 50, was 50 in Louisville last hour, still 50 down south in Monticello. So clearly, we got to get colder. We're going to take care of that tonight as a cold front tracks in and drops the temperature. You can already see, well, you may not be able to see it, just up underneath the banner, you're starting to see that little bit of a wind shift. Right about there is where the cold front is. So it'll be dropping in later on this evening. And as it does so, the wind will stay a little on the breezy to gusty side. We're still seeing gusts over 20 miles per hour this morning. We'll also see that wind shift, that northwest wind shift as the boundary tracks through and start to see those temperatures dropping probably through the afternoon, definitely into this evening. You've got rain and snow, the mixed precipitation from Columbus up into eastern Ohio, western PA. Additional rain to snow showers back west trying to take hold out towards St. Louis. And first sign that something's up, we've got another winter weather advisory out. And again, it's southeast. It's not here in the bluegrass. So southeastern mountain counties likely to see the biggest potential impact from this. And we're tracking a wet Thursday. That colder air that follows the front lags the moisture. So initially it's going to be all rain, cold rain showers by late this morning into this afternoon. This is around, the evening commute into mid-evening. That quick change, the moisture is departing. It's pulling out of here, but we will see temperatures tanking. So where those two sync up, we'll see a change over to snow. And where it stays snow the longest is going to likely be across our eastern mountain counties. So that's where you have the highest potential accumulation going into early Friday morning. You can see it's already rapidly winding down. How much? Well, not a whole lot of anything really up towards the Ohio River with minor to maybe an inch of accumulation, hit or miss in the bluegrass. And then you head south and east, especially on higher elevations, above 2,000 feet especially. That's where you may get into that 2 to 3 inch range. So kind of a similar scenario when you compare it to the last round that went through. Maybe a slightly better chance to actually get something here in the bluegrass, though, compared to the last time. Go out into this weekend. This is Saturday into Sunday. I'm tracking the potential for a wintry and wet mess. Accumulating snow Saturday night, possibly over to mixed precipitation and rain Sunday as we get a little surge of warmer air and then wrapping it back up as snow at the end of the weekend. So getting into a very messy pattern, an active pattern. We've got that hit coming in tonight, that next hit coming in late in the weekend, and potentially another round of wintry weather toward the middle of next week. So it's February, and it's on.
Sure is. 5:48.